BenQ has just unveiled the upgraded X3100i gaming projector, setting a new standard for immersive gaming and video experiences. Packed with a slew of impressive features, this projector promises to redefine your entertainment setup. The BenQ X3100i projector is a powerhouse of visual excellence. It comes equipped with an LED light source that delivers a remarkable 3300 ANSI lumens, a significant improvement over its predecessor's 3000 lumens. This upgrade ensures that your visuals are not only bright but also incredibly vivid and high definition. One of the standout features of the X3100i is its impressive 240Hz maximum refresh rate, coupled with an input delay of just 4.2 milliseconds. This combination provides gamers with an ultra-smooth gaming experience, eliminating any annoying lag that could hinder gameplay. For those who crave 4K content, the X3100i has you covered. It can upscale content to a 4K resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, though at a 60Hz refresh rate, and a minimal 16.7 milliseconds input lag. This means you can enjoy the crispness of 4K visuals without sacrificing much in terms of performance. The projector also supports 95% Rec. 709, 100% DCI-P3 color gamuts, 3D content, and HDR10, ensuring that you experience every detail and color with utmost precision. With an LED lifespan of an impressive 30,000 hours, you can enjoy long-term, reliable performance without worrying about frequent replacements. BenQ understands the importance of convenience and has incorporated user-friendly features into the X3100i keystone correction and lens shift capabilities, ensure that you can easily adjust the image to fit your screen or wall. Additionally, the inclusion of an Android 11 dongle allows for seamless access to a world of apps and content. Connectivity options are also abundant, catering to a variety of devices. With AirPlay, Bluetooth 5.0, HDMI 2.0b with the ARC support, SPDIF, USB-A, and dual-band Wi-Fi 5, you can effortlessly connect your gaming console, streaming devices, and more, enhancing the versatility of the X3100i. The highly anticipated BenQ X3100 projector is set to make its debut in the market, offering a range of cutting-edge features for a price tag of €2,399. This price point reflects the projector's advanced technology and exceptional performance, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts and avid users alike. While the price is now known, BenQ has not yet released specific information about the availability of the X3100 projector. As eager consumers eagerly await the opportunity to experience this state-of-the-art projector, it is advisable to stay tuned for further updates from the brand. In conclusion, BenQ's X3100i gaming projector is a technological marvel that promises to elevate your gaming and entertainment experiences to new heights. With its stunning visuals, low input lag, 4K upscaling, and an array of connectivity options, it's a top-notch choice for gamers and cinephiles alike. Say goodbye to compromises and hello to a world of immersive entertainment with the BenQ X3100i projector. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day everyone and God bless you.